Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with another video on post-qualification course for CAs. Name of the course is Certificate Course on Arbitration, Conciliation and Mediation. Before I start video, if you are new to my channel, then let me tell you about myself. I am CA Pooja Shahane and I create content on CA course, commerce related topics, income tax, GST and many more. So if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe for such interesting and helpful content. Watch the video till end and give it thumbs up. That will really encourage me to create content like this. So without further delay, let's get started. ADR, that is alternate dispute resolution, refers to the method of resolving disputes which do not involve going to the court before judge. कोर्ट के बाहर ही कुछ मामला अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है तो उसको अल्टरनेट डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन भी कहा जाता है. Alternate dispute resolution, where the parties choose a way that their disputes will be settled outside the court, which is also very quicker and cheaper way of solving the disputes. ADR is faster, better, less expensive than litigation. It is faster because it avoids long litigation process. It is better because it provides you a choice of remedies, and it is for those reasons less expensive. Companies Act 2013 Section 442 has invented this ADR mechanism, which opens up the avenue for various professionals to act as a arbitrator, conciliator and mediator. Keeping in view of this latest amendment, latest developments taken place, ICAI has introduced this course for members. Let us quickly understand these three terms: what is arbitration, what is mediation and what is conciliation. Then I will discuss about the course procedure with you. First of all, what is arbitration? Arbitration is a quasi-judicial process for resolving commercial dispute without the intervention of court before third party. It is the process where two parties consent that their claim will be resolved in front of the third party. जो third party होती है उसे arbitrator कहा जाता है. What is mediation? Mediation is a process of negotiating in which disputing parties come together to discuss their differences under the supervision of mediator. Mediator may be court appointed or chosen by the party themselves. What is conciliation? Conciliation is a process that is similar to mediation but is more commonly used by government agencies and tribunals. ये जो थर्ड पार्टी होती है जिसके अंडर आप मामला सॉल्व करने वाले हैं, that will be appointed by government agencies or tribunals. Arbitration is more formal process and it follows almost same proceedings as in litigation but outside the court, whereas mediation is an informal process. ये दोनों में basic difference होता है. Arbitration is more formal as compared to other. In mediation, the mediator generally gets out the alternative for the parties to reach to an agreement. Conciliation involves assistance of a neutral third party who plays an advisory role in reaching an agreement. So this was all about the arbitrator, mediator and conciliators basic terms. Then CA as arbitrator, mediator, conciliator. So CA professionals are having core competency in providing business advisory services. So they are more vigilant, diligent, accurate, fair and are governed by the code of ethics strictly. So they are more capable to work like this. What is the eligibility for this course? Members of ICAI. Simply members of ICAI can enroll for this course. Member in practice, member in service, anyone. How to register for course? Members may log in through Digital Learning Hub of ICAI. Link is provided here only. I will put it again in description box. You need to go there. You need to log in. You need to make payment. The fees for the course is 8,260 including GST. Registration for the course is first come, first serve basis. Minimum number of registration required to commence the batch is 100, and maximum number of participants they allow in a batch are 200. After you register for the course, there is a 13 days intensive online program, and you will be having a 3 hours online evaluation test. Test is consisting of 100 MCQ questions, which will be held on last day of your training, that is 13th day. Obtaining 50% marks for the to obtain certificate is essential. Means out of 100 MCQ, you need to have 50 MCQ correct. Only the participants who have attendance of 75% or more are eligible to appear in the online evaluation test. After you register for the course, and suppose you cannot attend your batch and you need to cancel your registration, then whatever fees you have paid, subject to 10% cancellation fees, they will refund you 90% and keep 10% with them. This is before commencement of the batch. But once the batch is commenced and you want to cancel your registration, then you are not liable for any refund of fees, but they may allow you to continue your batch, continue your sessions in the next batch. And in case the ICAI cancels the batch, then you are liable for 100% refund. Course contains 9 sessions or 9 modules. This is the list of 9 modules you can see on the screen. Course is containing total 9 modules. They will teach you everything in the course. You need to go through all this. You may take the screenshot of this for your reference. CPRs. 25 structure CPRs will be credited to you. 75% structure CPRs will be credited to your account after you complete your class. And after successfully passing your online evaluation test, 25% remaining will be credited to your account. So this was all about this course. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.